Now we will see the second numerical. The second numerical, it is saying as a simple U2 manometer containing mercury is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity 0.8 and having a vacuum pressure is flowing. So it is saying that a U2 manometer is connected to a pipe in which a fluid is flowing of 0.8 specific gravity and having a vacuum pressure. So there is a pipe, this is a pipe in which a fluid is flowing which is having a specific gravity of 0.8, and over here there is a vacuum pressure, so there will be no fluid on the right column. So in this diagram, as you can see on the right column, there is above section A there is no fluid. Okay. The other end of the manometer is open to atmosphere. The other end, this end of the manometer is open to atmosphere. Find the vacuum pressure in the pipe if the difference of mercury level in the two limb is 40 centimeter. As you can see, there is some mercury level on the right limb and there is some mercury in the left limb. So the difference of height is what? It is 40 centimeter. It is directly given. And the height of the fluid in the left from the center of the pipe is 15 centimeter. So whatever the fluid in this pipe or on this side of the manometer, from the center of the pipe it is having a height of 15 centimeter. So we need to calculate the vacuum pressure. So vacuum pressure always comes out to be negative. Okay, so we will see how it is coming out to be negative. The diagram for vacuum pressure, it will be difference. The only difference is that it will not contain any fluid above section A on the right column. Okay, this I have already shown you in the previous video, so please go and watch the previous video for that. After that we will see what we need to calculate. So the vacuum pressure which we need to calculate is given by P. So we know the fluid which has been flowing in this is having a specific gravity of 0.8, so S1 is 0.8. So from specific gravity we can calculate the density. The first density is what? Directly multiplying it by 1000 to 0.8 into what? 1000 kg per meter cube. This is your first density. Second, the next fluid is nothing but your mercury. It is having a specific gravity of 13.6, which is not given in the question. So you need to remember this, that the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. And after that, if we know the specific gravity, we can calculate the density, which is 13.6 into what? 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, now we will equate both the equations again. Equating pressure above section A in left and right limbs. So we will see what are the pressures which are coming on the left limb and whatever the pressure are coming on the right limb. So first we need to calculate the pressure in this. So it is given as P. So directly we will write as P. Okay. After that, the first liquid which is flowing in the manometer is having a specific gravity of 0.8. So we will directly give the formula for pressure ρ1 G H1. Okay. After that, there is another liquid, mercury, is also flowing on the left hand side, which is ρ2 G H2. And on the right hand side, there is no fluid which is flowing above section A. We are considering the section above A, so there is no fluid on this side, so it will coming out to be 0. Okay. After that, we'll put all the values. We need to calculate the pressure. We know the value of density ρ1 is 0.8 into 1000. G is 9.81. H1 is 15 centimeter. Okay, we have not written H1 and H2 value, so I will write over here. H1 is 15 centimeter, so we will take it in terms of meters, but it will coming out to be 0.15 meter. H2 is also directly given 40 centimeter, so this will be 0.4 meter. So we'll put the value of H1. H1 is 0.15. Then second ρ2 is 13.6 into 1000 into G is again 9.81 and H2 is 0.4. So we will take all this value on the right hand side. It will be coming out to be negative 0.8 into 1000 into 9.81.15 plus 13.6 into 1000 into 9.81 into 0.4. So the final value it is coming out to be minus 54543.6 Newton per meter square. In order to convert it into centimeter square, we need to divide it by 10 to the power 4, which is coming out to be minus 5.454 Newton per centimeter square. As I have told you, it is a vacuum pressure, it will be negative.